Street Conversation Fighter 2. At the barbecue. Ready, fight.
Hey, my students are here. Hi guys, welcome to our English school barbecue.
Hi teacher, nice to see you.
Hi David, nice to meet you.
How are you guys doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
So, are you hungry?
Yes, it smells great.
Well, we've got burgers, we've got steaks, and lots of goodies. What would you like?
Give me steak.
I'll have a steak too.
Okay, and how would you like it?
I'll have a big one.
I will have medium rare, please.
Oh, these are the last ones, my friends. You're lucky.
Oh, thanks God.
Baked potatoes or corn?
Baked potato.
I'll have corn.
Okay, and to drink, soda or beer?
2 beers, please.
Well, here you go, guys. Tables are over there. Enjoy.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah. Have a seat.
Yes, thank you.
So, what do you do?
I'm fine.
He is an engineer. I am a PhD student.
Oh wow, smart guys. How is your steak?
Good. Very soft.
Ah, you mean it is tender.
Ah, yes, right. Tender and juicy. That's how I like it.
My steak is a little hard.
Haha, oh, is it tough?
Right, tough.
Wow, you two seem hungry.
Yes, I didn't take breakfast.
I just eat a lot. I love steak.
Really? How do you stay so thin?
I play soccer and I only drink a little beer. But he drinks a lot. He's an alcoholic.
It is my culture. We drink a lot of alcohol.
Oh, I see. Sounds fun.
So, do you have barbecues in your country?
Yes, of course. We cook kebab. Do you know what kebab is?
Yes, I love it. But it is hard to find a kebab restaurant in this town. How about you, Chan?
Yes, do you know samgyeopsal? It is barbecued pork belly.
Oh, I love samgyeopsal. My friends introduced it to me. So good.
Oh, good. We can try it together sometime. It is great with kimchi.
Oh, it is starting rain.
You must practice prepositions.
English is confusing. Come on, let's get shelter. It was nice to meet you.
Okay, guys. It was nice to meet you too.
This barbecue is great. The people are so nice. But the steak was tough. My teacher is a bad cook.
Huh. Well, my steak was great. Maybe he doesn't like you.
Hello again. Are you guys having a good time?
Yes, very fun. It is too bad about the rain.
Yes, right. But it is clearing up. Do you want to try bungee jumping?
Oh yeah, sounds great. Let's play bungee.
How was it, John?
That was awesome. Can I go one more time?
Winner. Loser.
Okay, let's look at the mistakes in the video. Number 1, nice to see you and nice to meet you. First time we meet someone, we say nice to meet you. But second, third, fourth, and after that, we say nice to see you. Okay, next one. Number 2, greetings. Hi, how are you? Oh, I'm fine. And you? We don't say that. That sounds like an English book. So we say something more natural. You can say, I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, how about you? I'm fine, you? But just be natural and don't memorize. Okay, next one. Give me steak. Give me steak. So that's like an order. We don't want to say give me. So in English, my mother used to say, gimme, never get. Don't you know your manners yet? So you can say, I'll have a steak. I'll take a steak. I'll have a steak. Steak, please, but no give me. Okay. Next one. How would you like your steak? How would you like it cooked? So you can have it rare, medium, medium well, or well done, which is dry and gray. When we feel some relief, we say sometimes, oh, thank God. But we don't say, thanks God. Okay? No S. Next one. What do you do? So if somebody asks you, how do you do? That means, how are you? But if somebody asks you, what do you do? Then they want to know about your job, or if you're a student. Okay? So don't forget, how do you do? How are you? What do you do? Talk about your job. Talk about your schooling. Okay. Next one, how is your steak? So if it's very soft, and you could say it is tender and juicy. If it's hard, then you can say it's tough. Okay, my steak is tough. So tender or tough. I didn't take breakfast. So we say I didn't have breakfast or I didn't eat breakfast. Take medicine, but not food. Okay, so have or eat. Those are your 2 options. The last one is, of course, prepositions. So prepositions in English, it takes practice, but really important. So in, on, around, through, prepositions. Okay, it is start raining. It is starting rain. So it is starting to rain. Don't forget to before the verb. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really fun to make it. So watch the next one. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.